Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this very simple hot pink eyeliner look. So if you like it, stay tuned, and if you're brand new, make sure to subscribe to my channel. So let's begin the video by using a little bit of concealer. So I'm doing my typical thing of skipping foundation and just going in with concealer. Surprise, surprise. I am using the Clove Hallow Conceal and Correct in the shade number 3, which is a very natural looking concealer. It has a natural finish, light to medium coverage, so it's perfect for someone who doesn't want a very matte and heavy looking concealer. On areas where you need a little bit more coverage, it's easy to build up. The next product I'm going to be using is the Clove Hallow Hydra Tint Blush Serum in the shade Jojoba, which is obviously a peachy pink color, very pretty shade. I used it in a recent video. It blends out really nicely. My only little con with it is the nail polish brush. It's not my favorite. It's a little bit rough feeling on the face, but apart from that, the formula itself is really nice. Nice, natural, not super dewy. So for those of us with oily skin, we can definitely wear this blush. Just set the T-zone area with more powder. So the star of this show is the Clove Hallow Lip Velvet in the shade Napa, which is this beautiful, it's this beautiful fuchsia shade. I just want to kind of demonstrate to you guys that you can use what you have in your collection. You don't have to, desperately look through stores just to find a hot pink eyeliner. If you already have that color in a liquid lipstick, and you do a patch test, there's nothing wrong with that, with the product sitting on your eye area. If the patch test doesn't result in any type of, not infection, but any type of reaction on your skin, then go ahead and you can use it as eyeliner like I did in this video. And for the most part, when I show eyeliner in any one of my tutorials, I do edit a lot of the eyeliner process out because it takes me a long time. Eyeliner is not something that I can do in a few seconds. Sometimes I mess up, so when I do, I just grab a little Q-tip, grab a little bit more of my concealer, just fix the mistakes. But it is a process. What does help me out a lot is looking down into a mirror. That way the eyelid is taut and my actual lid is not too shaky. But once I do want to define the eyeliner a little bit more, I'll grab the mirror, place it right in front of me, and I'll look straight into a mirror. That way I can see exactly what you'll see when I'm not looking down. So that's more for preference, but it helps me out a lot. But take your time. Don't try to do one smooth line. That's when I typically mess up a lot when I try to do that. So little by little, small strokes, as you can see, and then after you do all those small strokes, it'll look like one continuous stroke. So take your time. If your hand itself is really shaky, try to rest your elbow on a table or a desk. It'll stabilize your hand and make it a lot easier for you to line your eye. I just want to say this video is not sponsored by Clove Hallow, but I have been enjoying their products that they sent over to me. So these products are gifted. I just wanted to kind of show them off a little bit more, especially for those of you who want more clean or green beauty products. This is for you. For brows, I'm using the Glossier Brow Flick. There will be a more in-depth tutorial / kind of review on this product. So if it's already up, I will link it in the cards as well as in the information bar below. But I have been really enjoying this product and it's so long lasting. I made some swatches on the back of my hand and I had them on till I removed them with oil cleanser, and that's after I washed dishes. They were still there. I worked out, they were still there. The swatches did not want to move from my hand. For mascara, I used something with more of a natural finish, so not something super voluminous. This is from the brand by Apple, which is a Mexican brand that I recently featured in my full face of Mexican products video. I really like by Apple. I was a stutter. I really do like by Apple mascaras. That's what I wanted to say. And now for lip, I'm going to get started with the Clove Hallow lip cream in Desert Rose, which is a nice nudie pinky shade. The formula itself is really nice, very moisturizing. The actual finish of the lipstick is more on the satiny, creamy side, so it's a very nice finish. But if you want to bump it up like I did, I grabbed the Lip Velvet in Napa, so the same color that I used as eyeliner, and I'm going to create more of a gradient effect. So I'm going to start placing the liquid lipstick on the outer corners of my lips. Then I'm going to kind of line the lips a little bit. And finally, I wanted to create more of a hazy lip effect type of situation. So I grabbed my finger and started diffusing the lip line a little bit just for a softer look. If you mess up in this step, don't worry. A little bit of concealer will just take care of everything. Don't worry, I mess up as well, and I make YouTube videos. And last but not least, I almost forgot to do this. I'm going to be using a brow gel. This is the Glossier Boy Brow in Clear. So I'm going to back comb my brows. It looks really weird, really funny actually. And then you can comb up and it gives the illusion of a much more feathery brow. It's a very nice effect. I really like it. I don't know about you, but I like that feathery brow, feathery bushy brow. It's a nice effect. And that's how the hot pink eyeliner looks like. I really liked it. I kind of want to try more, more bright eyeliners for the summer. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're brand new, once again, hit subscribe to see brand new videos from me. If you like this video, give it a like, and especially give it a like for this top. It has little ladies on the beach, which it's definitely not me, but I love this top. I think it's super cute. So yeah, I'm gonna get going now. Thank you guys so much once again for watching. I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!